Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, April 6th. Simply by bringing awareness to the mind, we naturally detach from its thoughts and ruminations. When you observe your own thoughts, you naturally create a separation from them because you see that they often arise on their own without your logical involvement. And in this way, you are not as likely to get stuck into each thought. You can notice individual thoughts, overarching mental states, or how active or dull the mind is in any given moment. The practice we're going to do today offers yet another way to understand the thinking mind. You will use a simple noting exercise to look at where the mind is as thoughts arise. Rather than focusing on the content of the thoughts themselves, you will tune into their general context. So let's give it a go now. Take a comfortable position. Close the eyes if this is comfortable for you. And as you'll be working with thoughts, it is helpful to dedicate the first minute or so to building concentration. So now choose a place in the body and rest the awareness on the breath. When the mind wanders, simply bring it back with kindness, with awareness, to the experience of breathing. I'll be silent. Now start opening your awareness to the mind and thought processes. Using the breath as your anchor, stay with the sensation of breathing until a thought comes up. When you notice a thought arise, note what its general context is. And rather than tuning into the specifics of the thought, simply note whether it is rumination, problem solving, fantasizing, or another thinking pattern. Again, I'll be silent for a little bit. When you recognize your thinking, note the thought and return to the breath. Patiently sit with the body breathing, waiting for another thought to arise. Again, simply note what the thought is in general without diving into specifics or getting wrapped up in it. I'll give you about a minute to experience that. Now consider adding in an additional piece. Note whether the thought is about the past, present, or future. Without labeling one thought as good or another one as bad, just note where the mind is. Again, I'll be silent for a while. Now bring your hands to your heart and, as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, or any day for that matter, see if you can retain some awareness of the thinking mind. Going about daily tasks, recognize when the mind is off and wandering. Try noting where the mind is when you see this happening. And as always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.